In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can make straight lines in Procreate. So what you can do is draw a line and keep your pen in place. And as you can see now, Procreate has made my line straight and you can move it around any way you want to. Of course, it also works for a circle. Just keep your pen in place, press Procreate will adjust your circle. When you hold 2 fingers next to it, it will make a perfectly round circle. And this goes for any object you make. Just hold your pen in place, make the lines smooth for the lines straight for you, just as easy as that. And that's how you can create straight lines, perfect circles and straight lined objects in Procreate. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.